Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you what I believe to be one of the most important set of phrases you can learn in the Japanese language, and that is how to introduce yourself. Now, Japanese is a very polite language, so when meeting people for the first time, you want to show your respect and build trust right from the beginning. The first phrase we are going to learn is hajimemashite. This is an expression which roughly translates to, "It is the first time meeting you." Perhaps to make it closer to the English equivalent expression, it could be translated as, "Nice to meet you." So that's hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. Next, we're going to introduce our name. That is, watashi wa, then insert your name. For the sake of this example, let's go with John. Then add desu. So, watashi wa John desu. Watashi wa John desu. Watashi wa basically means I, or as for me, and desu is kind of like is or am. So, I am John, watashi wa John desu. Lastly, we want to finish off by using the phrase yoroshiku onegai shimasu, which is difficult to translate into English, but means something along the lines of, "Please be kind, nice to meet you." This is a very polite phrase used in Japanese to show mutual respect. So that's yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Now, if we combine all these phrases together, we get the perfect Japanese introduction. Hajimemashite, watashi wa your name desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. For example, hajimemashite, watashi wa John desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. And there you have it. That's how you introduce yourself in Japanese. Until next time, mata ne.